Can't have Thanksgiving without a candied sweet potato and marshmallow casserole. But that's pretty old school. My new school update, dessert. Sweet potato churros with marshmallow crema on the side. For the marshmallows, fluff. Churros. Think Spanish donuts. The name comes from the ridged horn of the churros sheep, but there's nothing sheepish about my recipe. For my batter, I'm using flour, corn flour, butter, and a little baking powder for some puff. Watch how it all comes together. First time I had churros, I was about 7 years old in Plaza de Naranjas with my mother in Sevilla, dipping it into hot, spicy chocolate, but one thing was missing, marshmallow crema. Sweet potato, boiled, cooled, and pureed. See, told you it was easy. Marshmallow fluff, the stuff you need for Rice Krispie treats, the stuff the kids love to have for breakfast. For my marshmallow creme dip, just fluff and cream cheese. It's churro time, and I feel like dancing.
Nothing to lose. Everything feels new whenever I'm with you. Whenever I'm with you. Work on me. You make me work hard. Don't you play on me. And when we play hard, go to work on me. You make me work hard. Everything feels new whenever I'm with you. Oh, oh, I don't wanna wait, no, no, when I'm with you. I don't wanna wait, ain't got nothing to lose. Everything feels new.
No one will ever be missing that sweet potato and marshmallow casserole ever again. Nuh-uh, because this is the best sweet ending to Thanksgiving dinner.